the South Pacific lie the unspoiled islands of New Zealand. New Zealand is a pristine country of mountains, lakes, waterfalls and rivers, with some of the finest farming land in the world. The rolling eastern coast of the North Island, the Bay of Plenty, is renowned for its natural beauty and precious resources, none more so than the natural mineral waters of the area around Whakatane. New Zealanders treat this gift with the utmost respect. That is why we safeguard it with some of the strictest environmental laws in the world. We fight hard to keep it clean and green. It is our insurance policy for the future. We also know that nature gives up its treasures reluctantly. That's why we are proud to share with you one of the most treasured resources, eternal spring mineral water.
Around 2 years ago, a unique water source was uncovered in the beautiful Bay of Plenty province of New Zealand. We then decided to build the most modern mineral water factory in the world, to bottle its source, one of New Zealand's finest natural resources. From over 1,000 feet below the ground, and after 50 years of natural filtration, we bring eternal spring, water for the world.
Eternal spring begins its journey high in the mountains, seeping below the surface of the earth, where it undergoes a 50-year natural filtration process through ignimbrite rock. It then collects 1,000 feet underground in the Otakiri Artesian Aquifer, some 22 kilometers from Whakatane. A brand new state-of-the-art water processing plant has been built directly above the aquifer. They took the latest machinery from around Europe and assembled and adapted it to suit the unique New Zealand environment. It is the most modern and fully computerized operation in the Southern Hemisphere and has set the industry standard for all others. A team of highly trained engineers are on site to ensure optimum production. The entire operation is fast, efficient and 100% hygienic, to such an extent that the bottling facility is maintained at a positive and constant pressure, which ensures that no foreign elements can enter the controlled atmosphere. The mineral water is piped under its own artesian pressure into the processing area. All bottles and caps are first cleaned with ozonized mineral water. Bottle caps receive an ultraviolet treatment for added purity. The bottles are then filled and controlled by means of a computerized system where filling and capping are carefully monitored. At present, Eternal Spring is producing still mineral water in 1.5 litre, 500 ml and 355 ml PET bottles. The water is piped through a 52-head filler, capable of filling from 7,500 1.5 litre bottles to 18,355 ml bottles per hour. Carbonated natural and flavoured water in 750 and 355 ml bottles will be produced in the near future. Each bottle is labelled and date-coded with best before dates and trace-back codes to ensure future stock quality. These are applied to the bottles with inkjet printing technology, which uses safe and non-penetrating alcoholic inks. At stage 2 of the facility, Eternal Spring intends to produce its own range of bottles on site. The entire run is monitored by computer-linked scanning systems to such a degree that if the pH level of the water changes prior to bottling, the system will automatically redirect the water into a withholding tank. That water will not re-enter the process again until the levels are accurate. Quality control is strictly monitored with random testing and scientific analysis at all stages of production to maintain the highest possible standards. Before leaving New Zealand, Eternal Spring goes through one last quality test. 80 bottles are removed from each and every batch and tested for purity. Only after meeting these stringent measures is it distributed. The finished product is packed into strong cardboard cartons, batch and date coded, then plastic wrapped on pallets, ensuring safe and damage-free transport. Leaving Whakatane, Eternal Spring mineral water is exported around the world. Nature contributing to your health. clear, pristine natural mineral water brought to you from one of the deepest and purest aquifers in New Zealand. Eternal spring mineral water can be enjoyed by everyone, whether it's at the park enjoying a picnic with family or relaxing with friends over dinner. Drinking eternal spring mineral water, you're safe in the knowledge that you're drinking one of the purest mineral waters on the planet. Nature has kept her secret for millennia. We believe the time has now come to reveal it to you. Eternal spring, water for the world.